Fit Fam, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness and day 4 of our Fit Body Challenge. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our body, preparing the heart and muscles for our workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I am very happy to be having you. We are going to be working on the tummy today with standing exercise. Make sure that you are hydrated and energized for this workout. And very important is that you always pull in your tummy towards the spine with every move that we make. So just continue marching and marching, warming up, feeling your heart rate going way up there. And by the way, don't forget to invite your friends to join us in this workout. We are getting into skater hops right now, beginning right now, reaching out, trying to tap at your foot, doing 30 seconds of this, pulling in your abs towards the spine. Preparing for those knees. So just get up and beginning with the right leg. You want to do 15 seconds per leg and reach out your leg and bring it forward, pulling in those abs towards the spine and reaching out your leg to as far back as you can and switch to the other leg. And do as quick as you can. If this is too fast, simply just slow down and moving into the next workout, that is oblique jacks. So you want to begin right now. 30 seconds of this, guys. This is going to be short but intense. Keep going, don't slow down, don't give up. Don't give in, push up, moving into a squat and side leg lift just about now. So get into position. You want to squat up, lift, squat up the other side, squat, lift, and lift. Pulling in those abs towards the spine, very important, guys. Don't forget that. Keep going, keep breathing, don't tie your breath. Squat and lift, squat and lift, squat and lift. One more, squat and lift, and relax it out, getting into the next. So you want to bring your hands at the back of your head. We are doing 30 seconds of this as well. You will begin bringing your legs towards your elbows, pulling in those abs towards the spine. Keep going, guys. You're doing amazing. Feeling all that fat crying, feeling your heart rate all up. I know these are short but high intensity, and if this is very challenging for you, then do it slowly. Just give me one more and relax it out, guys. Catch your breath. If you want, go grab some water quick before we repeat these exercises just one more time. And we are going to be beginning with the skater holds, beginning just right about now. So you want to move to the right and to the left, reaching out for your toes, pulling in those abs towards the spine. You can go as quick as you like. If it is too challenging, simply go slow or just do this. So keep going. Just want to make sure that beginners can do this as well. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Getting up, getting into those knees, beginning with the right leg. We want to do 15 seconds per side, and you want to begin. Make sure you're stable. Don't try to trip like I did. So pulling in those abs towards the spine and reaching out your leg to as far as you can, your arms to as far as you can for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other leg, guys. Reach out the arms, begin straight away. Pulling in those abs and feeling them working every time you reach out your leg for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get up and relax it out. Getting into those oblique jacks straight away, guys. So you want to begin just about now, reaching out your legs to get to the elbows. If you want it more challenging, just do it quicker. Otherwise, continue going. Don't slow down. Don't give up. Don't give in. Pulling those abs towards the spine. Keep going. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax it out, guys. Heading into those squats with a side leg lift. So you want to squat and lift. Squat and lift. Squat and lift. Squatting for as low as you can get. Making sure that your abs are pulled in. And lift, squat and lift. Squat and lift. Squat and lift. Lift and lift and lift. Just 5 more seconds. Lift. Give me one more per side. Lift. The last one. Lift and relax it out, guys. Getting into that last exercise, you want to bring your hands at the back of your head and begin. Breathing in, breathing out, pulling in those abs, reaching your legs with your elbows. Keep going. Don't give up. Don't give in. Keep going. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax it out, guys. Well done. We are going to get into 30 seconds of that final stretch, stretching out those muscles. They've done an amazing job. So we want to reach our hands to the ceiling, pull your abs towards the spine, lift your calves off the ground, and we want to be holding this for 30 seconds. If this is too challenging for you, just keep your calves on the ground, but keep reaching out to as high as you can, pulling in those abs towards the spine and feeling them, stretching it out as well, and keep holding right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get back down, and you want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys. A high five if you've made it this far with me. Don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any question or something to tell me. I am sweating absolutely. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media. Invite them over to come and join us in this challenge. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's workout, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye. Ooh.